Greetings everyone, here's a quick tutorial to create your own loop alarm musical alert. Now we have already created this VBS file that will play a custom alarm tone for a few seconds, and it will indefinitely play alarm music after a specified time unless closed. Let's see how you can customize it. Open a Notepad and simply drag the file here. So here is the code that sets a loop alarm. You can customize these as per your requirements. Basically, you can choose your own alarm sound, you can choose the minutes when the alarm music to be played in a loop, and you can also choose the duration of how long the alarm should be played. Now, I want to use this music by simple tone as an alarm sound. Let me add its location, right click and go to properties, copy the location, / file name and the .mp3 extension. So this is the sound file. Since this music is more than a minute, I do not want to play it all. So I will change this. This changes the second how long the music is played. 5000 is 5 seconds. I will make it 4000 for 4 seconds. And now change when the alarm should play. Currently, it is set to 20 minutes. So we'll change this to a minute, that is 1. All done, simply save the file and close this. Now let me open this. Okay. You should hear the alarm sound immediately. If the sound is not playing, meaning the alarm isn't working, so check the file location. Now this alarm should play for 4 seconds in every 1 minute. I will fast forward to check. So you can hear that this is working. So this alarm repeats every 1 minute unless it is closed. And one small reminder, please do not delete your music file or else the sound cannot be played. Now to close this completely, you can either shut down your PC or right click on the taskbar menu, go to Task Manager and click on Details. Scroll down and simply close this Wscript. Select it and End Task and End Process. Please note, if you open this alarm file multiple times, you will be setting 2 or more alarms, and here will be all the scripts running. So make sure only one script is running at a time. You can end text the other scripts or close them all and rerun the application. Anyway, we hope this video was useful. Thank you very much.